What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW, and today we're going to go over one trade recap and the rules for the upcoming giveaway. Check it out. You're going to want to stay to the end because we're going to go over the rules of the raffle at the end of the video, and I think you're really going to enjoy it. Well, guys, so today I traded APOP. I thought this might squeeze. There was nothing else popping up. It's low flow, decent price point. I thought it would go. I took a couple stabs at it. Bought it. I mean, I don't have the trades. I didn't get to record them. I don't think. I looked and it wasn't in there. I'll show you my orders first of all. I took 3 trades today. I'm sitting on a red day, just 80 bucks. I bought APOP at 387, stopped out at 369. I bought Tesla at 299.21, sold it at 301.91, and then I bought, that was my winning trade, and then I bought APOP again at 345. I added at 354 when I thought we were going to squeeze, ended up stopping out, basically break even at 344. So that was it. That was my trades today. I bought, the first buy was in here. We were flagging, real nice. Real nice volume off the open, flagging above this VWAP right here and this little 375 area. So I said, why not? I took a stab at it here because I thought we might squeeze over 4, make a move up to like 440, 450, just, off of the daily, looking at it. Let me see, I'll grab that real quick here. I don't want to make this video too long because we got to go over the rules for the giveaway. So here you go. Here are the levels I was watching, and ultimate take profit up here, thinking about this 200 day up here in this 440 area. So that's it. It was a simple, straightforward trade. Nothing to write home about. Then we dumped it and we started holding this 9 EMA and this 325 area and holding this area, and it looked like we might squeeze and get one of those giant, huge candles that would just take us right to $4. So I said, you know what, I'll take another stab at it. I had 250 shares right in here. I added, when we started to break above this little pivot right here at 355, which also coincides with the low of this candle, as you can see right there. So when we started to break above that pivot here, I added another 100 shares, so just 350 shares. And I was looking for one of those breakthrough VWAPs and then just boom, right at $4. I fully expected it to slap $4 and then fail. So I was going to take profit right in front of $4. But hey, 50 cents, 350 shares. Pretty decent little trade there. Real good day, get me back to green on the day and with some nice little profit. But it failed, so I stopped out and that was it. Nothing to write home about. It's doing absolutely nothing. Now, on to the exciting part. I showed you my orders already. So yeah, on to the exciting part. As you know, yesterday's video, I talked about how we reached 1,000 subscribers on Saturday, right? So on Friday, I made $1,000, a little over $1,000, and then on Saturday, boom, 1,000 subscribers. So I was like, well, this is great. We're gonna have to do something to celebrate because I had my biggest day of the year on Friday, and then I had the break of 1,000 subscribers on Saturday, so we have to do something special. So I've been trying to see what I can get done for you guys, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a free raffle. Okay, there's a 100% free raffle. It's gonna be for all my subscribers. So if you haven't subscribed yet, you're gonna want to subscribe now. So smash the subscribe button and the like button, because what I have for you is free trade ideas. Okay, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna do a raffle, and the winner is gonna get free trade idea scanners. Whoops, right here, free trade idea scanners just like these. You'll be able to customize them and make them your own. If you want my settings, I'll share those with you as well. I'll help you out with that. So you're going to be able to get, boom. Oh, you can't see all these because of me. Let me make myself smaller. There you go. More scanners. Here we go. Golly, my computer's acting up a little bit here today. I don't know why. So free scanners all around. Let me exit my E-Trade. It comes with these charts, so you'll have charts available with all sorts of tools, and you can draw lines, change your time frames. I mean, these are the most customizable scanners, I believe, on the market. So you'll be able to, have access to these for free for a whole month. Now the value of that is, I believe, $118 per month. So like if you were to do that on a monthly subscription, if I'm not mistaken, they're $118. There's a link in the description section below that'll take you to their pricing, so you'll know. But you'll have these for 1 full month for free for one lucky winner. Okay, I use these scanners every single day. This is what I use to find my gappers, to look for higher day momentum breaks. These are, I actually enjoy very much using these charts for putting out my lines and study. I use my E-Trade charts for the live trading, but when I'm putting out my lines in the morning, this is what I'm doing. I'm using these charts because they're very clean. I really, really like them. So these are the scanners that I use every single day, and I've been using them now for, man, I was using them since I was paper trading. So I've been using these for easily 3 years. You're going to have access to these for free, which I think is awesome. I wish when I started out, somebody would have done a raffle for free on these. If they did, I never saw them. And I wish I would have won them, right? If I was in them, because a free month of this is awesome because you'll be able to do your own settings. You'll be able to do your own settings according to your own patterns and your own strategies. You'll be able to do that. So if you don't want to do low float stocks like these, or if you don't want to have a gappers list with a mix of mid caps and small caps, you just want to do small caps, you can customize them all yourself to your liking. So this is great, and we're going to do that. And what we're going to do is we're going to run this all week long. Okay, on Thursday of next week, we are going to go ahead and pick a winner on the raffle. So in order to win, what you have to do is you have to subscribe to the channel, smash the like button on this video, okay, and comment below subscribe. So what you'll want to do is comment below that you subscribed, smash the like button, and subscribe to the channel. And then next week, we're going to pick a winner from the comment section in this video. All right, so just write subscribe. That's all you got to do. And then we're going to randomly pick a winner from here using, some software online. Okay, so that'll be it. Once the winner is picked, all you have to do is message me your email address, and then we'll go ahead and get in touch with Trade Ideas so that you can get your scanners. I hope you enjoy this. If you have, smash that like button for me. Remember to comment down there in the comment section. Subscribe after you've subscribed. And remember, I'm keeping an eye. I know who subscribed and who didn't. I'll catch you on the next one.